Okay, shall we start? Homage to the Buddha. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Opening reverence. We reverence the Buddha, the perfectly enlightened one, the shower of the way. We reverence the Dhamma, the teaching of the Buddha, which leads from darkness to light. We reverence the Sangha, the fellowship of the Buddha's disciples that inspires and guides. Three refuges. Buddhaṃ saraṇaṃ gacchāmi. Dhammaṃ saraṇaṃ gacchāmi. Sanghaṃ saraṇaṃ gacchāmi. Dutiyaṃ-pi buddhaṃ saraṇaṃ gacchāmi. Dutiyaṃ-pi dhammaṃ saraṇaṃ gacchāmi. Dutiyaṃ-pi sanghaṃ saraṇaṃ gacchāmi. Tatiyaṃ-pi buddhaṃ saraṇaṃ gacchāmi. Tatiyaṃ-pi dhammaṃ saraṇaṃ gacchāmi. Tatiyaṃ-pi sanghaṃ saraṇaṃ gacchāmi. Five precepts. Pānāti-pātā vēramaṇī sikkhapadang samādhiyāmi. Adinna-dāna vēramaṇī sikkhapadang samādhiyāmi. Kāmesu miccācārā vēramaṇī sikkhapadang samādhiyāmi. Musāvādā vēramaṇī sikkhapadang samādhiyāmi. Surāmeraya majjapamā dattānā vēramaṇī sikkhapadang samādhiyāmi. The positive precepts. With deeds of loving kindness, I purify my body. With open-handed generosity, I purify my body. With stillness, simplicity, and contentment, I purify my body. With truthful communication, I purify my speech. With mindfulness clear and radiant, I purify my mind. Salutation to the three jewels. Buddha Vandana. Itipiso bhagavā arahang sammā sambuddho vijjā charana sampanno sugato lokavidu anuttaro purisa dhamma sārati sattā deva manusānaṃ buddho bhagavāti. Buddhaṃ jīvita pariyantang saraṇaṃ gacchāmi. Dhamma Vandana. Swakhato bhagavata dhammo samdettiko akaliko ehi passiko panaiko pacchatang විඤ්ඤෝහිති ධම්මං ජීවිත පරියන්තං සරණං ගච්ඡාමි සංඝ වන්දනා සුපටිපන්නෝ භගවතෝ ශාවක සංඝෝ උජ්ජුපටිපන්නෝ භගවතෝ ශාවක සංඝෝ ඥායපටිපන්නෝ භගවතෝ ශාවක සංඝෝ සාමීචිපටිපන්නෝ භගවතෝ ශාවක සංඝෝ යදිදං චත්තාරි පුරිස යුගානි අට්ඨ පුරිස පුග්ගලා ඒස භගවතෝ ශාවක සංඝෝ ආහුනේයෝ පාහුනේයෝ දක්ඛිනේයෝ අංජලි කරණීයෝ අනුත්තරං පුඤ්ඤක්ඛෙත්තං ලෝකසාති සංඝං ජීවිත පරියන්තං සරණං ගච්ඡාමි. Reverence to the three jewels. We reverence the Buddha and aspire to follow him. The Buddha was born as we are born. What the Buddha overcame, we too can overcome. What the Buddha attained, we too can attain. We reverence the Dhamma and aspire to follow it with body, speech and mind until the end. The truth in all, the path in all stages. We aspire to study, practice and realize. We reverence the Sangha and aspire to follow it, the fellowship of those who tread the way. As one by one we make our own commitment and never wind in circle, the Sangha grows. Offerings to the Buddha, Padipa Puja, offering of lights. Ganasarapaditena dipena tamudangsina tilokadipang sambuddhang pujayami tamonudang. Reverencing the Buddha, we offer candles. To him with the light we offer light. From his greater lamp, a lesser lamp we light within us, the lamp of Bodhi shining within our hearts. Sugandha Puja, offering of incense. Gandha Sanghara Yuthen Nahang Sugandhina Pujaye Pujaniyang Tang Puja Bhajana Muttamang. Reverencing the Buddha, we offer incense, the fragrance of which pervades there. The fragrance of the perfect life, sweeter than incense, spreads in all directions throughout the world. Puppha Puja, offering of flowers. Vannagandha gunopetang etang kusuma santating pujayami muning dasa siripada sarorue pujemi buddhang kusumena nena punyena metena cha hotu mokkang Poppan milayati ataidang me kayo tatayati vinasa bhavang. Reverencing the Buddha, we offer flowers. Flowers that today are fresh and sweetly blooming. Flowers that tomorrow are faded and fallen. Our bodies too, like flowers, will pass away. Paniya Puja, offering of water. Adivase no bhangte paniyang parikappitang anukampang upadaya patiganhatu muttamang. O Lord, the Blessed One, please accept this water as an offering to you out of great compassion for us. Panaka Puja, offering of fruit juice. Adivase no bhangte panakang parikappitang anukampang upadaya patiganhatu muttamang. O Lord, the Blessed One, may this fruit juice be kindly accepted by you out of great compassion for us. Sharing merits. May the merit gained in my acting thus go to the alleviation of the suffering of all beings, my personality throughout my existences, my processions and my merit in all three ways. I give up without regard to myself for the benefit of all beings. එත්තාවතාච අම්මේහි සංබතං පුඤ්ඤ සංපදං සබ්බේ දේවාං අනුමෝදන්තු සබ්බ සංපත්ති සිද්ධියා එත්තාවතාච අම්මේහි සංබතං පුඤ්ඤ සංපදං සබ්බේ සත්තාං අනුමෝදන්තු සබ්බ සංපත්ති සිද්ධියා ඉදං මේ ඥාතිනං හෝතු සුඛිතා හොන්තු ඥාතයෝ ඉදං මේ ඥාතිනං හෝතු සුඛිතා හොන්තු ඥාතයෝ ඉදං මේ ඥාතිනං හෝතු සුඛිතා හොන්තු ඥාතයෝ. Rectification of faults. The evil which I have heaped up through my ignorance and foolishness, evil in the world of everyday experience, as well as evil in understanding and intelligence, all that I acknowledge to the Buddha. May the Lord receive this kindly, just as it is with its many faults. What is not good, O Blessed One, I shall not do again. Kayena vacha chittena pamadena maya katang Acchayang kama me bhante boripanya tathagata Kayena vacha chittena pamadena maya katang Acchayang kama me bhante boripanya tathagata Kayena vacha chittena pamadena maya katang acchayang kama me bhante boripanya tathagata. Dedication. We dedicate this place to the three jewels, to the Buddha, the idol of enlightenment to which we aspire, to the Dhamma, the path of the teaching which we follow, to the Sangha, the spiritual fellowship with one another which we enjoy. Here may no idle words be spoken. Here may no unquiet thought disturb our minds. To the observance of the 5 precepts we dedicate this place. To the practice of meditation we dedicate this place. To the development of wisdom we dedicate this place. To the attainment of enlightenment we dedicate this place. Advice of all the Buddhas. Sabba papassa akaranang kusalasa upasampada sacitta pariyodapanang etang buddhana sasanang. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. With this puja, we are going to terminate our one-day retreat. You have come to the library early morning and observed 8 precepts and also offered offerings to the Buddha and practiced loving kindness meditation and also practiced breathing meditation, samatha and vipassana meditation, and also listen to the dhammas and discussion. And I think you have today very meaningful, successful and also valuable day. You can remember this day. You practice not the other days, spiritual things. Then it is very valuable, meaningful day. Especially we have to remember before finish this service the people who killed in the Nepal, I think 2-3 few days ago. Everybody knows the earthquake. Thousands of people, they die because of that earthquake. We have to remember them. And practicing these things, you practice dana, sila and bhavana. You practice generosity and also practice sila, morality, and also practice meditation. Doing these things, you accrue so many merits today. Merits means nothing but pure thoughts. And we can transfer these pure thoughts to departed ones, and also we can remember them within the compassion and also love. Buddha explained a stanza, Anauhato ito aga, ananunyato ito gato. We come to this world uninvited, and also we leave this world unbidden or uninvited. And also Buddha mentioned we don't know where we come from, and also we don't know where we'll be going. And also we know so many things in modern world, so many things about, yes, we know many things about so many things, but we don't know the 5 things. Buddha mentioned there are 5 things we can't judge, or we don't know the 5 things. The first one is our lifespan, or lifespan or lifetime. We don't know when we are going to be die. And also we don't know the cause of death. And the third one is we don't know the time. And fourth one is place. The last one is we don't know where we are going to be born. Those 5 things. Those are the 5 things. Sometimes the being die like even in the womb, and like children, child and young age, old age, like that. And the second thing is the cause. We don't know, like maybe in the sky or in the sea or some other illnesses like that, or accident. And the third one is time. We don't know the time, and also place. The last one is also we don't know where we are going to be born. Thinking these things, we transfer our pure thoughts or deeds or merits to departed ones, especially the people who killed in Nepal. And also we can transfer these pure thoughts to our departed relatives. May they receive these merits. May they enjoy these merits wherever they may be. Finally, may they all attain the supreme bliss of Nibbana. We can say sadhu, 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 and also we can recite the stanza, idam me jnatinam hotu 3 times. Idam me jnatinam sukhita hontu jnatayo, idam me jnatinam hotu sukhita hontu jnatayo, idam me jnatinam hotu sukhita hontu jnatayo. And also we can transfer these pure thoughts to deities who watch over us and protect us. And also we can share these merits with our relatives. And also we can remember the people who are suffering in Nepal and all the world. Lack of food or drinks, water and shelter, they are suffering, we know. So many people. We wish, due to these merits, may no harm come to them, may no difficulties come to them, may no problems come to them. May they always meet with success, peace, good health and happiness, saying sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. I'm going to chant some stanzas for blessing all of you. Sabbitiyo vivaccantu sabba rogo vinasatu mate bhavatvantarayo sukhi digayuko bhava abhivadana silissa niccang vaddapachayino chattaro dhamma vaddanti ayuvanno sukhang balang ආයුරාරෝග්‍ය සංපatti සග්ග සංපatti මේවච අතෝ නිබ්බාන සංපatti ඉමිනාතේ සමිජ්ජතු සබ්බීතියෝ විවච්ඡන්තෝ සබ්බ රෝගෝ විනාශතු මාතේ භවත්වන්තරායෝ සුඛී දීඝායුකෝ භව අභිවාදන සීලිස්ස නිච්ඡං වද්දාපචායිනෝ චත්තාරෝ ධම්මා වඩ්ඩಂತಿ ආයුවන්නෝ සුඛං බලං ආයුරාරෝග්‍ය සංපatti සග්ග සංපatti මේවච අතෝ නිබ්බාන සංපatti ඉමිනාතේ සමිජ්ජතු. Due to these merits we all attain the supreme bliss of Nibbana. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.